This is Audrey Carter from Highsville Elementary, and I am going to be showing you a math problem. This math problem is going to be about multiplication, and I will get started. There are 4 ponds at a park. Each pond has 6 turtles. How many turtles live at that park? I am making ponds with 6 turtles in each of them, and these dots stand as turtles. And then you multiply 4 times 6, and that equals